Okay, fine.
Rest at the table.
Come on, go. Ew! Oh, there you are. Finally!
Grandma.
I've been looking everywhere for you.
Oh, hi.
Hello there, henchman. Finally got I found you. Hello there, Ducky. Oh, I see you got yourself a little house.
What's this giant thing?
Oh, it's Ducky, my new pet.
Good.
A cute little ducky, aren't you?
Good.
Yes, you are. You're a very cute little ducky. Anyway, the fact that we are here. What shall we do? We're thinking about it. And...
Tick.
Oh no!
Respawn. Tick.
Oh boy, those annoying zombies. What should we done about them?
Ah! Tick.
Whack with jump. Huh? Oh, look at that. The jump takes people away. Does that mean that I can make Batman disappear like that?
Whoa, look at your name tag. It says VATAMAN. See Joker for your name tag.
You're blind. You can't read, can you? It says a JOKER, obviously. You see? I'm not even wearing a name tag. What are you talking about? Right, Ducky? Come on, Ducky. What shall I do for my evil plan? I gotta do something big and grand.
Hey, you flipped over my house.
You did.
Nice, cute Ducky.
This is very cute. I know what to do. We will storm Lego City, destroy everything. But no, we already kind of did that though. We're going bigger here. We go after all the little toys. Or at least that's what everyone calls them. Hi, Ducky.
Maybe we can invade the pet shop.
You're right. I always hate those little weird-looking, funny-looking, cute-looking things. All right then, onwards. Let us go.